Hi everyone, my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. So it has finally arrived. Yes, that's right, my April Boxycharm box is finally here. As well as my add-on purchase that arrived all on the same day. So that is what we will be doing today. And if you haven't heard, or which I highly doubt, haven't seen any other Boxycharm unboxings, apparently Natasha Denona palettes are in the April boxes. I saw some sneak peeks of them and they look gorgeous. Especially there's one I really want, so fingers crossed. Now, for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription where you can choose between a base box or a premium box. The base box, which is what I get, is $25 plus tax a month, and inside you will receive 5 full-size products that average around $175 in value. Plus, you will get to choose one of the items. Now, on top of that, each month you can shop from a variety of brands like MAC, Smashbox, Milk, Tula, Elemis, Becca, and just so many more at a discounted price. So as I said, I did pick up a few items this month, so I will be unboxing and sharing that with you as well today. Now, if you would like to receive your own box this month and enjoy all the benefits of being a charmer, all you have to do is use my referral link in the description box down below by April 30th, and you'll receive a $10 credit, as well as be able to choose between the B Beauty London Barbarella eyeshadow palette or the Pharmacy Deep Sweet Toner, which is actually one of the items I purchased in my add-on. As I said, I will have everything linked in the description box down below for you, as well as the promo codes that you will need. So what do you say we open these bad boys up? So I'm going to open up my add-ons first, and just so you know, I did purchase all of these products with my own money, and to be honest with you, I don't remember everything I got because I ordered this stuff like over a month ago. So the first product I got is the Pharmacy Deep Sweet 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. And this is one of the items that you can choose if you do decide to use my referral link. I absolutely love this toner. I actually got this in a box a couple months ago. And this was actually the first time I ever used a toner in my skincare routine. And I was just so happy that I used this as my first toner because it dramatically changed the way my pores looked. Ever since I ran out of this, my pores have been giving me major issues. So I am super happy to have this back into my skincare routine. Now, another product that I had received in a Boxycharm box and got a replacement for is the $1 Billion Beauty Sponge. It is their charcoal infused one. It really does help soak up any excess makeup and apply like my foundation and concealer just so smoothly. I absolutely love this. I can definitely tell the difference when I use this compared to another sponge. So I am so happy that I'm able to replace the one I had because it was getting kind of ratchet looking. So I got a new one. Now the next product I got because I've heard just some amazing reviews about this product. It's the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Kilowatt Highlighter. Ooh. Wow, that is pink. Oh, that is going to be so fun to play with this summer. Oh my God. This is what it looks like. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I could see why so many people love this. Oh, It's just so shimmery. Ooh, it's gonna be fun. Now the next product I got, this is actually going to be the first time I've ever gotten a face palette from them. And that is from Violet Voss. I have actually quite a few of their eyeshadows. And I absolutely love their eyeshadows. So I figured I would try out their highlighter palette. It's the Rose Gold highlighter palette. I really love powder highlighters. And the powder highlighters that I have right now, like I am like about to hit pan on them. So I was looking for some replacements. It's one of the reasons why I got the Fenty Beauty one and this one. Ooh, this is going to be... So this is what they look like. These look like they're going to be perfect for like everyday highlighters. I am super excited. Ooh. And I love that they have this huge mirror right here. Gorgeous. So that is everything I got in my April add-on purchase. Now, let's get to my box. So as you can see, I have not opened it yet. Just going to grab the card out real quick. So in each box, you will get a card to let you know about that month's theme. And then on the back of the card, you will see a list of all the products that you have. And then on the bottom right corner, it will let you know what version you have. I'll put that right there. I didn't even look to see. I did not look to see what products are on that list. So, first product is Kindy Beauty Kinder Glow Highlight Palette. I've never heard of this brand. Is it Kinder? Kinder Beauty. Yeah, Kinder. So, it says this palette includes 3 universally flattering highlighters and 1 marble highlighter. The talc-free buttery formula practically melts into skin, granting a beautiful luminous look with opalescent pearls and a velvet texture. The compact size makes it easy to travel with and allows for an on-the-go glow. The retail value of this is $15. These kind of look like what I already have in my Violet Voss one. So I think I'm going to pass this along. So the next item is Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid. And it's supposed to be hydrating, firming, and youthful effect. So it's with a light to medium coverage formulated with hyaluronic acid to combine hydrating skincare benefits with lightweight coverage and a glowy look. The retail value of it is $35. So to be honest with you, the last month I have been trying out a whole bunch of tinted moisturizers. So I have a lot already in my makeup collection. And to be honest with you, I've gotten a couple products from Studio Makeup and I really was not all that impressed. I have products in my collection that work a hell of a lot better. So I am definitely going to be passing this along. I have enough tinted moisturizers as it is. And it's from a brand that I really don't care too much for. So this will be getting passed along as well. Boy, this is not going to be a good month, it seems. I'm going to be handing everything away. Next item is, Flirtatious Looks Monarch Lash Pack. Whether you're just transitioning into makeup or simply seeking an everyday comfortable glam lash, Baby Girl and Charmer are the perfect duo. Baby Girl is an angled lash perfect for achieving the iconic cat eye effect. Charmer is a round lash recreated for an instant doll eye effect. Both are 100% silk and cruelty-free. Apply your favorite pair with the lash applicator included in your kit. The retail value of this is $38, and these are a new launch. I have to say, these look like lashes that I would definitely rock and wear. I don't wear lashes every day, but when I'm like really wanting to glam it up and just have a very glamorous look, I definitely will apply lashes. So I will definitely be keeping these. These look just like they would be perfect in my type of style. So I got one product I'm going to keep. Next item is, ooh, the Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. Well, I obviously love Pharmacy. I just love their packaging. It is just so beautiful. Look at, oh, ooh. Let's see what this is all about. A fast-absorbing, non-comedogenic face oil that delivers intense hydration and helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Ooh, perfect. I have been looking for something to add to my skincare routine to help with my hydration, because with it being springtime right now and the weather around here is like, one day it is like 70, almost 80 degrees, and like today it is like, with the wind chill, 20, 30 degrees. This is what my skin has been struggling with the last couple, what, weeks, month. So it doesn't know what season it's in. I'm dealing with dehydration and oily skin all at the same time. It is just so much fun. So I have been looking for some products to add to my skincare routine to help with the hydration. And this looks like it's going to be something that would be perfect to add. The retail value of it is $48. So I like it. I like it. I will definitely be adding this to my skincare routine. So we got two products that I'm keeping. 2 against 2. So let's see the tiebreaker. Am I giving it away or am I going to keep it? Let's see. Is it the Natasha Denona palette? I don't feel like it. Ooh, Eloise. I do like Eloise. It is their Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. Ooh. So this is a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas on the face and body for dazzling buildable glow. This transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin. The retail value of it is $38. Just a heads up, little FYI, Avon is actually going to be coming out with a product like this. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to do a compare and contrast. What do you think? Ooh, this looks fancy. Look at that. Ooh, imagine that on your skin, all over your body. Nice tan body. Oh, I'm definitely going to be trying this out. Well, that is everything I got in my Avon Boxycharm box. And I have to say, even though I am ending up keeping 3 out of the 5 products, I am disappointed I did not get a Natasha Denona palette. Even though I really don't need any more palettes, as you can see right here. But I wanted one. That one, oh. Hopefully they will have it available in a pop-up or add-on so I can purchase it. Anyways, I will have to say, I mean, overall, it was a good box. I mean, it's not like, wow, my mind is completely blown. But I do like majority of the products. So it was okay. I am thinking I'm going to have to go back into my Boxycharm quiz and kind of see what my answers are. Maybe I need to make some alterations because it seems like the last couple months just not have been that great. So let's see what will happen after I do my alterations. Well, now it is your turn. What did you think of my box? Did you get a Boxycharm box this month? If so, what did you think of it? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, if you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by clicking that like button. And if you have not done so already, I welcome you to join me here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell down below. That way you are notified each time I upload a new video. Now, for those of you who haven't noticed, but this past week I've actually been posting some short videos, and I have to say I have been really loving this because it's been allowing me to be able to update you guys on products that I got and giving you like quick little reviews, and I'm going to be doing some quick beauty tips and tricks. So this is has opened up a whole new playing field for me, and I'm just having so much fun with it. I got so much more coming. So I highly recommend hitting that subscribe button, notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a regular video and a shorts video. Well, that is it for today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.